You all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to make your Microsoft Edge browser to read your web page article in voice, in loud voice. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to open the Edge browser on your PC. Now you don't need to download or install any third-party extension software for your PC. Just open the browser and open your website or article like this. After opening guys, here in the URL box you can get the option read aloud this page. Just click on this. Okay, now it will start reading your web page loudly. Okay, so it will take few seconds to detect the all web page text. After this guys, it will start reading, as you can see guys. Okay, and then if you want to change the voice speed, just click on voice option. From here you can control the voice speed, or if you want to change the voice, just also you can get the option to change the voices. Okay, so this is the very easy and very simple method to make the Edge browser to read loud your web page articles. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.